New video from the Navy shows what may be the future of modern close-in warfare. It's their new laser gun, which is shown hitting targets on ships at sea and shooting a drone.
Embark on an extraordinary journey as we venture into the future of modern close-in warfare. On the battlefield, a fierce rivalry between the United States and China fuels an exhilarating race towards innovation and supremacy. Witness the rapid evolution of military technology, featuring drones, artificial intelligence, quantum computing, lasers, and robotics. To maintain dominance in modern warfare, the United States Department of Defense has allocated an unprecedented $13.1 billion for research and development in its 2023 budget, shifting toward game-changing technological solutions that could tip the scales in their favor. Recently, the U.S. Air Force unveiled advanced and formidable technology, poised to leave a lasting impression on the world. Join us as we delve into this groundbreaking revelation, discovering what this technology is and how the U.S. Air Force plans to leverage it. Get ready to be amazed by the potential of this remarkable creation in the world of universal narratives. The rapid evolution of military technology represents a tangible sign of the constant commitment of the U.S. Air Force to ensuring national security. As a leader in innovation and technology, the U.S. Air Force has consistently pushed the limits of what is achievable in aviation. From the pioneering motorized flight of 1903 to the current evolution of modern aircraft and drones, the U.S. Air Force has demonstrated its dedication to national defense. The future of military operations is taking on a new dimension with the introduction of directed energy weapons and hypersonic missiles. These technological advancements represent a significant push towards innovation, as well as presenting complex challenges that require a multidisciplinary approach to ensure responsible and effective use of these revolutionary weapons. In an era where the dynamics of conflicts are constantly evolving, it is essential to maintain a vigilant stance and promote structured dialogue on the evolution of directed energy weapons and hypersonic missiles to ensure global security. Directed energy weapons, or DEWs, represent a groundbreaking change in the way warfare is conducted. These weapons use concentrated electromagnetic energy to engage and neutralize enemy forces. They encompass a wide range of technologies, including high-energy lasers, high-power radio frequency or microwave devices, and particle beam weapons. Lasers and microwaves are constituents of the electromagnetic spectrum, where light energy and radio waves reside. Despite their coexistence within the electromagnetic spectrum, the main difference between them lies in their respective wavelengths and frequencies. Directed energy weapons are divided into different categories based on composition, with differences between gas, solid state, or hybrid configurations. In the current path towards militarization, types of lasers include solid-state and hybrid lasers. Solid-state lasers can be further divided into fiber lasers and crystal slab lasers. Fiber lasers are structured around an optical fiber coated with rare earth elements, with erbium being a common choice. Crystal slab lasers are a high-power variant characterized by a slab-shaped laser crystal for increased power and efficiency. Meanwhile, hybrid alkali-pumped diode lasers combine gas and semiconductor diode array. Over time, the energy transferred to the target determines the destructive and lethal capability of directed energy weapons. The effects of this concentrated energy can range from non-lethal outcomes to lethal ones. For example, lasers can rapidly cut through materials such as steel, aluminum, and other substances. They are particularly effective at breaking propellant and oxidizer tanks for missiles and can also disrupt, damage, or blind other sensor and electronics-equipped systems. The lethality of high-energy lasers depends on factors such as the laser's output power, beam purity and concentration, and target distance quality. Other factors include precision in maintaining the laser focused on the target, stability control, and tracking capabilities. Furthermore, the atmospheric conditions through which the laser travels to reach the target also influence its effectiveness. Today, these lasers have become so advanced that we now have tactical ultra-short pulse lasers, TUSP. Despite their long history dating back to the 1970s, tactical ultra-short pulse lasers have undergone a profound evolution within the U.S. Air Force. They have transformed into a revolutionary and highly adaptable weapon system that seamlessly integrates with various military platforms. One of the most significant advancements within the U.S. Air Force is the open admission of the development of advanced tactical ultra-short pulse lasers. Although this advanced laser technology is currently in the prototype phase, it has already generated considerable excitement in the defense industry. Following a series of successful tests, its imminent field implementation is eagerly anticipated. But how does this pulsed, ultra-short tactical laser work? It is an extraordinarily powerful laser, boasting a peak intensity that can reach levels 1,000,000 times higher than that of the sun. This revolutionary and advanced laser is compact and portable, designed to be easily carried by military personnel in the field. When activated, the laser emits ultra-short pulses directed towards the target. These pulses are unique, characterized by their astonishing speed and intensity, which allow for effortless cutting of steel and other materials. However, the pulsed ultra-short tactical laser is not only a weapon, but can also be used in non-lethal scenarios. It can disable electronic devices or blind enemy fighters using a high-energy light beam to deliver precise and powerful shots. This beam is so intense that it can cut through metal, shatter glass, and dismantle electronic systems in seconds. This revolutionary laser developed by the U.S. Air Force releases extremely short bursts of light, with pulse durations ranging from femtoseconds to picoseconds. To put it into context, a femtosecond is 1/4,000,000th of a second, underscoring the extraordinary speed of this technology. Thanks to its exceptionally fast pulse duration, this groundbreaking technology can cut, weld, and fuse materials with unprecedented precision. Furthermore, it is capable of cutting through materials without generating thermal damage in the vicinity. This precision makes the laser particularly suitable for various military applications, including target identification, distance detection, and disabling or destroying enemy equipment. When the laser is fired, its energy is rapidly absorbed into the target material upon impact, leading to rapid heating and expansion. What is particularly fascinating is the cascade of events triggered after the laser's impact. Here is how the process unfolds. The expansion caused by the laser's impact triggers a shock wave within the material, causing a small explosion on the surface. This shock wave then extracts a small portion of the material from the surface, resulting in a clean and precise cut. This remarkable process, observed during a series of tests, has garnered widespread attention. The potential of this laser extends well beyond military applications. Its remarkable power and speed stem from its unique construction. The process begins with the creation of an amplifier medium, where a distinct material is introduced to amplify the laser's energy. This material is further energized by an electrical current, causing it to emit photons, the fundamental particles of light. Subsequently, these photons are guided through a series of mirrors and lenses that shape and focus the laser beam into a concentrated ultra-short pulse. However, this is only the tip of the iceberg, particularly because the ultra-short pulse laser possesses numerous advanced features. This extraordinarily short pulsed laser is capable of reaching remarkably high peak levels, reaching the petawatt level. This is approximately 1,000,000 times more powerful than the entire combined power of all humanity, a staggering fact highlighting its exceptional power. This groundbreaking technology can engage in nonlinear optical processes, meaning that the laser can interact with matter in ways that conventional lasers cannot. For example, it can generate high-energy photons and induce plasma formation from solid materials. The prospects for this technology are exciting, and experts predict that the future of ultra-short pulse lasers will be even more astonishing within the field of military applications. The potential of this emerging technology is virtually limitless within the realm of military applications. It can neutralize hostile drones, disable enemy vehicles, and interfere with enemy communications. Its operational range, which can reach up to a mile, grants it adaptability in a variety of scenarios. Furthermore, its highly versatile laser technology allows for mounting on various platforms, including land vehicles, aircraft, and even warships. This dynamic adaptability positions the pulsed ultra-short tactical laser as a valuable tool for any military operation. According to U.S. military experts, the pulsed ultra-short tactical laser represents an extraordinary technological breakthrough with the potential to revolutionize American defense strategies and protect its citizens. This laser harnesses high-power fibers made with special materials that enhance its beam, giving it extraordinary power and precision. These fibers are designed with specially coated materials that amplify light as it passes through, allowing the laser beam to travel at speeds of up to 300 million meters per second. This means that in just 1 second, the laser can cover a distance of 186 miles. This rapidity makes it extremely effective in tracking and striking moving targets, including aircraft, vehicles, and drones. Another fundamental aspect of this technology is its ability to generate ultra-short laser pulses. While most lasers produce pulses that last milliseconds or longer, this ultra-short pulse laser produces pulses that last picoseconds or femtoseconds. This level of precision is unparalleled and gives the laser unmatched accuracy. It can cut through metal with the same ease with which it can disable electronics. This incredible precision makes it particularly suitable for military operations, where the distinction between collateral damage and targeted damage is vital. Another advantage of the pulsed ultra-short tactical laser is its ability to operate in a wide range of temperatures and atmospheric conditions. Some traditional weapons can be negatively affected by extreme temperatures or poor weather conditions, but this laser can operate in environments that may be prohibitive to other weapons. This resilience is crucial for military operations where conditions can rapidly vary. The potential for a wide variety of military applications is one of the most appealing features of this technology. Positioned on military vehicles, the pulsed ultra-short tactical laser can neutralize threats in real time, ensuring excellent protection for troops on the battlefield. It can also be mounted on drones, enabling advanced surveillance and direct attack operations. Additionally, military ships could be equipped with this technology to defend against aerial and maritime threats. One of the most intriguing applications of the pulsed ultra-short tactical laser is its ability to shoot down ballistic missiles and re-entry vehicles. This technology is so powerful that it can neutralize incoming threats long before they reach their target. In this way, it can effectively protect vital infrastructure and ensure national security. In summary, the pulsed ultra-short tactical laser represents a remarkable leap forward in military technological innovation. With its power, precision, and versatility, it offers the U.S. Air Force an unprecedented defense capability. Its potential for a wide range of military applications makes it a valuable tool for ensuring national security and protecting American interests worldwide. With the U.S. Air Force leading the way in the use of this technology, the future of military operations looks safer and more efficient thanks to this remarkable contribution to the military arsenal.